getting hurt in my tears.
Shut! Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Anyway, you're 18 now. It felt so long since we've seen each other, but then...
Check naman. Mabilig. Ano ba? Naka-on yung ano nila? Di ba?
Tayo ay kakanta ng happy birthday. Nasaan na yung candle? Sino may lighter? O, patayin mo muna yung ano.
Ceiling fan.
Lahat ng nanonood. May ceiling fan mo kayo. Pakipatay.
Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan ba? Pati yung ilaw? Oh, she doesn't like the lights. Switch off, please.
The other one.
The other one.
Yeah.
Okay, yan, yan. Okay. Ha? Yan, ganyan, maganda.
Cover na lang ganyan.
Madilim pero maganda man sa ano. Maganda sa video. Ha?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's all sing all together. A happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish, Kira. Action na muna. Dati makuha ka dyan sa CCTV.
Yay!
Happy round of applause. Oh, sino ba? Mag-picture ko ulit? Okay, mag-slice ba sa pag-shot? Do you want to say something or a message to all your friends or guests, family who are
Mag-message
here
na.
tonight?
Okay, message na. Para mahuman.
Well, I just want to say thank you to everyone who came, and I appreciate your presence. So I hope you guys have a good time.
Yay! Woo! Okay na. Picture.
Okay,
ready the
sabay-sabay
music
picture.
na.
Or i-play muna natin yung ano.
The band. Who's the band? Who's in the band?
Ayun sa iyo.
Ay, who's in the band, guys? You? Who else? Ah, okay. Play Happy Birthday. Come on. Sige na. Don't be shy. Come on.
Oh, prepare niyo yung band. The name of the band. What is the name of the band? The GM7.
Ah, wow.